welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Primark haul, but for the first time this year, I am doing my first autumnal Primark haul because I went into Primark the other day and I was just kind of thinking, I haven't done a haul in a hot minute. So I saw all of the new things that they had on the shelves and I was like, oh my god, it just feels like autumn already. So I went in and I picked up a little bit too much than I should have because I just really liked everything and I got so many things that I actually had to get one of these fabric bags instead of the paper ones because they just would not have done the job. If you guys enjoy Primark hauls, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up just down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Come and join the dinosaur family. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so looking at my receipt, I actually spent £191, which is quite a lot, but considering I got so many things for that price, I feel like I did pretty well because I managed to get so many cool things. The first item as I walked into the store, I went to the one in Oxford, is this, which is just the cutest like yellow tartan sort of cropped jumper, I guess. And this was really affordable. It was only £13, but I just loved the fabric and I love the color. I feel like yellow and like mustard is so autumnal and it's gonna be so in again this year. So yeah, I got this and oh, it's just honestly so nice. It's so soft. You guys are definitely gonna see me rocking this in a video soon. Now the next item I got was again right by the entrance. So as I walked in, I was like, I need that. That's going straight in my basket. So I picked up this dress, which first of all, I really love the color. I feel like it's, do you know what? I don't even know what color this is. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a mauvey sort of color, I guess. It's just really, really pretty. It's very autumnal as well. And I just really like the fact that the top half of this dress is ribbed and then the bottom half is just like regular sort of like material. I'm not very good at describing clothes, but I just really like this. It's very simple. I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down, and the fabric again is so soft, and this was £10. It seems that I've picked up so many jumpers for this haul, so I'm really sorry about that, but I feel like jumpers are such a necessity for autumn. So the next one I got is this one, and I love this so much because I just love this kind of color. I feel like yellow is a very underrated color, but it's so autumnal in my opinion because it's like the colors of the leaves and it just really brightens up my day whenever I wear like a bright color. So I went for this and it just says, hey girl on it. This was actually £5. So again, it's such an affordable item, really comfy. It's got like a crop style to it as well, so you can like dress it up with some jeans. I got this one in size extra small, but it comes out quite large. So I feel like this will be a really nice oversized kind of crop jumper. I then got some shoes because I just don't have enough shoes. Honestly, it's like one of the things that I really lack in my wardrobe. I have so many like tops, trousers, jeans, but I don't really ever splurge on shoes or anything. So I actually picked up this pair right here, which is kind of similar to a pair that I had last year, and I actually included them in my like 50 Halloween costume videos. And you guys were like, oh my god, they're so cute, they're so versatile, you can wear them with anything, and I totally agree. So I just picked up this pair right here, which looks very similar to those, and these were £16. Super affordable, and they look like they will last me a long time as well because they're kind of made of like this faux suede fabric and they just look really well made. I feel like these shoes are going to be so easy to pair with so many of my outfits that I already have, and they'll just give them that little bit of sass, you know? Now the next item I got is this right here, which is basically like a baker boy hat. It's got a really cool chain across the front, and this looks actually quite expensive in my opinion, but it was only £5. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna try it out. I'm gonna get one of these and see if I can rock it myself. The next item I picked up is this, which I am actually obsessed with. So this is like a tartan red dress. It's kind of got like a leathery sort of accent at the top with the neckline, but this honestly looks like something you could get in like Topshop. So I was really surprised that Primark had something like this, and this was only £10, you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys go get this very quickly because they were selling out of my local like Primark because I mean, can you be surprised? It's just so cute. It looks so much more expensive than it is. And it's also got pockets, which is so cute because, I mean, most dresses don't really ever have pockets, so I am all about that. I have some more jumpers to show you guys, but honestly, like I said, jumpers are like a staple piece for autumn. You obviously want to stay warm, and the weather has started to get really bad in the UK. Like right now it's raining and I'm just like already like wrapping up in jumpers because I'm so cold. So the next jumper I got is just this plain white jumper. It looks so washed out on camera, but it's like a high neck sort of jumper. It's got like a knit pattern all the way down. But the reason why I really like this is because it's got like really fuzzy sleeves, which I just think is adorable. It's so soft and I can already tell this jumper is going to be so comfortable to wear. Just a white jumper really, not much to it, but I love stuff like this. As well as jumpers, obviously a massive thing is coats in the autumn. You want to stay warm, you want to stay toasty. So I got this coat right here, which is just the cutest thing ever. It's like a teddy bear kind of fabric. Like those coats have been so on trend recently and I just couldn't manage to find myself one that I really liked. So when I saw this, I was like, I am so getting that. This was only £25, which for a coat, I feel like it's a reasonable price. And the fabric, like I said, is just so warm. It's lined with like a faux suede, and then the outside is obviously like the teddy bear fabric. It's also got little pockets on either side of the jacket, which I think is adorable. And I can just already tell I'm gonna be so cozy in this coat. And the next thing I got is another jumper. Now this one is very much autumnal. I mean, look at the color. It's like pure autumn right here. It's kind of like knitted. It's got like a very fluffy turtleneck. Like there's a lot going on, but I feel like this will keep you so warm. This was only £10 again, and it's super oversized. I love the sleeves. They're so long and kind of like cinched in at the very ends. I just feel like Primark is one of the best places to go for like jumpers or like seasonal clothes because they've always got what's on trend and it's always at affordable prices. So I am so happy about this little purchase. Then the next item I got is this hat. So I know this is a little bit more like wintry than autumnal, but because I saw this and I was like, I really like this, I just bought it for like winter already. But if it's like cold in the autumn days, I will probably wear this as well. But the reason why I bought this now is because I have been looking for a nude hat like this for a while now, and I could never really find the one that I liked and like fit my head properly. But this one just fit like a glove, but on my head. So I got this and it was only £2, so you can't go wrong. And now for the very last item of my haul, I picked up another coat. This one is a little bit on the pricey side. It was £40, but I feel like because of the length and like for what it is, it's actually well worth it because coats like this are usually so expensive on like ASOS, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, those kinds of websites. I got this in a size 8 because coats like this tend to be quite big on me, so I like to size down a little bit, but it's honestly so long. It goes all the way down to the floor, and I just knew I needed something like this in my wardrobe because I usually just buy like black coats and I don't really have many coats that suit like a nude outfit, if you know what I mean. I've got to say, although the fabric is really soft and really nice, it's probably not going to be a great coat to wear if it's super cold, like maybe for the winter time. But this coat is definitely going to be perfect for autumn time when it's not as cold, just because the fabric is a little bit on the thin side in my opinion, so I feel like it wouldn't keep me as warm in the winter. So yeah, I really like this coat. I definitely am going to get a lot of use out of this, and this is super on trend as well, so I feel like if you were buying this from like Topshop or somewhere, you definitely would be paying probably double this price. Now I've got to be honest, that was not everything that I bought. You guys might be wondering, everything you showed us doesn't equate to £191, but I have got more things that I just don't really want to show you guys in this video because I have another video planned. I will show you guys a little sneak peek. It's basically all about Primark's new Disney range. They have a bunch of things that have come out, such as the Alice in Wonderland makeup palette. So I am totally going to be testing a bunch of this stuff out for a video very soon. So Disney lovers out there, make sure you get excited, give this video a thumbs up, and I can't wait to film that for you guys. But that is all for this haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am getting so excited for autumn and like Halloween. I've got so many videos planned for you guys, especially for around like Halloween time. So if you guys have any suggestions what you want to see for like my autumn series, then let me know in the comments below. As always, if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you click the big red button down below to join the dinosaur family. But that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!